Hi guys, it's Corinne from Corinne Marie Designs. Just wanted to show you how I made this card. So here we go. Okay, so for this project I used Calypso Coral cardstock. This is 12 by 6 inches, folded and burnished halfway for a 6 by 6. I'm going to have it as a top fold card. I've also cut this gorgeous Painted with Love DSP. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? This has been cut at 6 inches by 3 inches to layer onto our base. I have cut with my Big Shot. I used the Celebrate You Thinlit dies with some Bermuda Bay cardstock. Look at those, aren't they pretty? They've got the most fabulous fonts. These are free with a £90 order in the latest Sale-A-Bration catalogue, running from the 3rd of January to the 31st of March. So these are the dies you get free with a £90 purchase. You can get the matching stamp set as well, with the same fonts and obviously extras. And you get that for free with a £45 purchase. That's really lovely. I have done some projects with that, so check out my blog. But today we're going to use the Thinlit dies. We pop that to one side. I think we will use some matching to go with the Bermuda Bay. This is one of the ribbons that come in the Sale-A-Bration as well. You get 3 ribbons. The Bermuda Bay, you get the Peekaboo Peach, I think it is. No, it's not. It's Calypso Coral, sorry. And the basic grey. All 3 are shimmer ribbon, all different sizes, as you can see. But you get 3 with a £45 order as well. So lots of freebies coming up. Aren't you lucky? So I'm going to use some of this today to go on this. So let's see where we go with this then. I'm going to use some dimensionals on the back of this to pop it up so that it gives it a bit of dimension, I think. So they're pretty even on the back. Look, you can have it either way, but I just love that gold foil. Let's pop this up. In my bin. Oh dear. It's quite windy today. My boat's rocking back and forth. I don't know if you can hear it banging. And of course the dog, as always, snoring behind me. I'll go centre with this. Just gives it that little bit of extra pop. I like that. So I'm not sure where to pop these. Shall we have these? Quite like that. And perhaps pop some ribbon around at the top. Glue those down first. So I'm going to use some Tombow multi-glue. I'm just going to pop it on the back of my hand. It's far too much. Never mind. I've warned you before in my videos, I am so messy with glue. It's ridiculous. But at least with this, it dries matte and clear. So if you do make a mess, you should get away with it, hopefully. If you didn't want to put it on the back of your hand, you could just use either a bit of window sheet or a spare bit of plastic, maybe a plastic bag. Just pop the glue on so that you can then just dunk your die cut in. That's one. Lovely. Push that back down again. Let's use my paper piercer just to help. Oh my goodness, the dog is snoring so loud. I'm so sorry. Oh. Let's take some of that. Let's pop it behind there. Like I said, I always make such a mess with wet glue. This is why I'm a huge fan of the snail adhesive and foam adhesive and fast fuse, because I don't make such a mess with it. I get this stuff everywhere. Okay. Let's put the length of this around. Notice I've put a clip on here. I do that so it holds it. I can cut it and it stops it all from unravelling and going everywhere. I've lost my scissors. There's my snips. I'm not very good at tying bows. I'll have a go. It's going to be awful. Oh my goodness. It's always the way. I can do it when I'm off camera sometimes, but as soon as I'm on camera, that is it. It doesn't help that I've got glue all over my fingers. I'm not making excuses though. Let's put this. Perhaps if I tie it in a knot first, it might make it easier. Like that. Never know, we might get there in the end. There we go. My pathetic excuse for a bow. Oh my goodness. Let's put it that way just slightly. Perhaps put it on that side. Oh, that looks better. Oh, right. Let's give this a snip shorter. There we go. There. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. It's Corinne from Corinne Media Designs. See you another day. Bye.